Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Your role and evolution. Your soul chose this environment for your personal growth and evolution. Don't deny it, embrace it, and allow the divine to unleash its magic. When you stop resisting, you understand where you are, why you're here, your role in your evolution and humanity. You're at peace with yourself, your life, and the world. And when you're at peace, you inevitably lead by the clarity of your example. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this poem with all of my soul. I believe you just gotta let go of everything and allow the universe to open the doors. And like the poem says, unleash its magic. I believe this 100%. It's so amazing when you can finally let go of things and just follow the doors that open. Everything that you imagine, truly love and imagine, will come to be. I believe this so much. Some people think, oh no, I believe in all this stuff. It doesn't happen. Do you truly believe? You have to truly, truly believe deep down inside. You can't have doubt. If there's that little creep of doubt, that's a bit of negativity going out, I believe. So always just keep that positivity going. I know it's hard to break through sometimes because we have those old beliefs and old belief systems from people that have no idea what we are going through, what you are going through. Everybody has their own specific journey, I believe. Just follow love, follow your heart, and I believe you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.